Am I visible? Is my video is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your video is blurry.
Okay, it's blurry. Okay, so whatever we have discussed
Now,
in the
right?
last classes, if you guys have any doubt, you can ask me.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Ma'am, you have started just now, right?
Yes. I did not start it. Okay, it's just an introduction session which is going on.
When was the last lecture? I have joined today.
Okay, today only you are joining.
Yes.
Okay. Last day two. Am I speaking to Nasser?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
okay.
you are speaking to Rohit.
Rohit. Okay. Okay, Rohit. So we have taken our day 3 days back. 3 days back.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to attend that, if you want
Hello.
to learn from that, we can
You are
provide the
not audible.
recordings. Okay, but
Ma'am, you are not
today's
audible.
session, so hello.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Yeah, Rohit, is I'm not audible.
Yes.
1 minute. Still, I'm not audible.
Now you are audible. What were you telling?
Okay. So I was telling that our day two session was 3 days back. Okay, so we can provide you the recordings in the group, in SSM group.
Okay.
Okay, so you can learn from there. And today's session I will be not providing the recording. Okay,
Okay.
so so attend live.
Okay.
And today yeah, and those who have attended the previous classes, we have discussed a lot about niche, right? Niche clarity, what is micro niche. So if you guys have any doubt, you can ask me here. Total 11 people has joined. Okay, people are joining one by one. So let's wait more 5 minutes. Why? Because it is very important session. I don't want to miss anything. So let's wait for 5 minutes more. And you guys be ready with your book and pen. Why? Because today we are going to do practically as we did on day two,
Okay.
right? So be with book and pen. And those who are going to submit the task, they are only going to get the bonuses. Okay, if you submit, then only you will get the bonuses, free bonuses from my end. So be ready with book and pen. So let us discuss. Okay, this is an affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing is nothing but we generate money using online digital platform. It's like an online business. Okay, we do sales, we promote the products, we do sales, and we generate money. So as per you guys, what is business in your terms? Let me know in the chat box. Total we have 13 people, right? So what is business in terms of you? Use the chat box, let me know the response. What is a business? As a lot of people requested in the last session कि वो लोग को हिंदी में चाहिए. Okay, so everyone is comfortable with Hindi here, so that we can continue. हिंदी में हम हिंदी में continue कर सके. अगर किसी को,
No,
if
ma'am.
anyone is having any problem, no, I think Pawan Kumar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, I will be telling in both. Okay, Hindi and English. Solution to any problem. Yeah, very good. Yeah, business is a solution to any problem. Okay, so what about others? Whatever, just share your opinion. What do you feel about business? Buying and selling of goods and services for profit. Good Garima, good Nilofer. Come on guys, fast. See, in the beginning of the session, if we have this energy, end when it comes to end तक आकर हमारा energy level क्या होगा, right? So 10x energy we have to show, right? So come on, what is business in your opinion? Only two? Haider, Kavya, Nasser, Nivi, Pawan Kumar, Rohit, Shravani Reddy. Come on, guys. Earning commission on marketing. Okay, good. Okay, let me ask you one thing. Having knowledge is important, or implementing the knowledge what you have is important? Option A is having knowledge, solving problems and provide solutions. Great. Okay, good, Nasser. So I will be giving you two options. Okay, choose. Implementing is also important. Okay, B option. Okay, very good. So A or B. Okay, typing B is not difficult, right? Making money by producing or buying and selling product. Implementing is important. Okay, good. Yes. So A or B. I want 13. Okay. I want 13 means okay, one is Utpala and one is me. Implementing is important. Okay. Let me put a last reminder. Okay. Total 11. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, one more minute so that we will start it. Garima, this is your first session? Or did you attend my previous sessions, day 1, day 2? Yes, ma'am. Okay. This is your first session. Okay. And what is your profession, Garima? What do you do? Student or working? Yes, ma'am. First working as an accountant. Okay. Okay, fine. So how many of you here? Okay. So let's not waste more time. Let's continue. Let's continue the session. Okay. So Garima and Rohit are new here. Neha. Neha, did you attend the previous sessions, day 1 and day 2? Okay. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, visible.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, guys. So, let's start the session, right? So, welcome to Affiliate Marketing Free Masterclass Day 3. Okay. So, today we are going to. So, before starting, I want you guys to unmute and tell whatever it takes. I am ready to give whatever it takes. Unmute everyone. Everyone.
Whatever it takes, I am ready to give.
Yeah, I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
I am ready to give whatever it takes.
Yeah. So if you why you have to tell this? If you want to achieve something, if see you are here, rest of the people are wasting their time or whatever they are doing. Okay, they are not here. Okay, but you guys are here. Why? Because you want to learn something, you want to do something in life yourself. Okay, so you are going to give whatever it takes to achieve that goal, to achieve that dream. So I want everyone in this meeting to tell that I am ready to give whatever it takes. Come on,
I am
guys.
ready to I am ready to give whatever it takes.
Yes,
I am ready to give whatever it takes.
yes,
I
good,
am ready to eat whatever it takes.
good. Come on, guys, everyone, see, this
I am
session is
ready
going
to whatever it takes.
great. Come on, guys, more. Don't bother of your surroundings, don't bother of your family, they may surprise nothing. Okay, wherever you may be, you have to unmute, you have to break that barriers. Okay, and you have to do the activities whatever I'm going to tell today. Okay, so come on, more. I'm also repeating with you guys. Okay, so I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
Good,
I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
good. Awesome, guys, awesome. So maintain with same energy, we are going to do lot more things practically.
Ready
Okay,
to give whatever it takes.
yes, Rohit, good. So today in this session we are going to learn the three main important things in online business or in affiliate marketing business, in any business. Okay, if you are it doesn't matter whatever niche you are choosing, but these three things you should have a clear clarity. What are the three things? Let me start that recording so that I can provide who are attending this. Okay, so yes, guys, so today in this session we are going to discuss on these 3 points, that is clarity about your micro niche, clarity about your customer, clarity about your business equation. Okay, so clarity about your micro niche. Why you should have a micro niche? See, if you are having a micro niche, does anyone have any doubt regarding micro niche? What is micro niche? Micro niche is nothing but, see, digital marketing is your niche. Okay, digital marketing is my niche, but what is my micro niche? My micro niche is affiliate marketing. So I work on affiliate marketing, I train on affiliate marketing, I train people on affiliate marketing, I help people to start their affiliate marketing career. Okay, I help people to become successful in affiliate marketing. Okay, no matter from which background they are. So affiliate marketing is my niche. So those who are interested to learn affiliate marketing are my audience. Those who are looking to make money online is my audience. Okay, so what is your micro niche? You have to decide. So if you don't know how to decide, if you did not attend my previous classes, so it will be tough to you to understand how to identify your micro niche. Not a problem, just I'm giving you a clarity that if you are selecting the niche is nothing but a broader view. Okay, in digital marketing we have lot of things like Facebook advertisement, SEO, SEM, content writing, email marketing, all these we have. Okay, that is my niche. And what is my micro niche? Micro niche is nothing but my affiliate marketing. So if you are a fitness, if fitness is your niche, then what is your micro niche? You are a fitness trainer for the people who are 45 above age. Okay, you want to increase fitness if of the people who are 45 and above, who are suffering with joint pains, or older people who are suffering from joint pains. You want to train them so that they become fit. Okay, without using medicines they can resolve their problem. So that is your micro niche. Only your target audience are 45 and above, not everyone who are interested in fitness. Okay, so your micro niche is 45 plus above. You are treating only those guys. That is your micro niche. Okay, so hope you got clarity. Hope aap log can
Yes,
I
I
get
got
clarity?
it.
Yeah. Can I get, yeah, everything I will be sharing in the group. Okay, first day and second day one. Okay, no need to worry. So that is your micro niche. The fun thing is why you have to have micro niche. Why? Because it is easy to target audience. You know who is your target audience. You are not targeting. आप सबको target नहीं कर रहे. ओके आपको एक पर्टिकुलर आपका जो लिमिटेड ऑडियंस कौन है आपको पता है. सो यू आर आप वही टारगेट ऑडियंस को टारगेट कर रहे हैं. सो बी लेजर फोकस. मतलब आप लेजर फोकस मतलब आपको क्लैरिटी रहता है. आप एक पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी लोगों को ही टारगेट करते हैं और इजी होता है. राइट मल्टीपल वेज से मतलब मल्टीपल लोगों को हम टारगेट करने से हमारा हमें उतना फोकस नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन हम लोग एक ही कैटेगरी को फोकस कर रहे हैं तो हमारा फोकस ज्यादा रहता है. हम लोग हमारा रीच हमारा क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क ज्यादा रहता है. सो लेजर फोकस रहता है. मिनिमम कंपटीशन मैक्सिमम सेल्स. राइट अगर एक कॉलेज ले लीजिए. अगर कॉलेज में आप 10 क्लासेस है और 10 क्लासेस को आप टीच कर रहे हैं तो आपका एफर्ट एंड एनर्जी फर्स्ट क्लास से सेकंड क्लास को लो होगा, सेकंड क्लास से थर्ड क्लास को लो होगा, थर्ड क्लास से फोर्थ क्लास को लो होगा. जब आप 10th क्लास को रीच करते हैं तो आपका एनर्जी लेवल, एफर्ट्स, आपका कंसंट्रेशन, इंटरेस्ट सब कुछ लो होगा. राइट लेकिन अगर आप एक ही क्लास पे फोकस करते हो आपका टाइम, देन एक ही मैम explain in English. Yeah, okay. So see, is everyone comfortable in English?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So if you have any problem, like if I'm going very fast or if I'm going slow, any problem?
English.
Yeah. Any problem
No,
you can
no
tell
problem.
me. Yeah,
No
okay.
problem.
Yeah, okay, fine. So see, if you are targeting 10 classes, then energy level and your concentration level, everything, focus level, everything will be decreased step by step. Okay, but if you are focusing on it on a particular class, okay, then you have a complete concentration on that class only. Right, so in the same way you have minimum competition there and maximum sale. That's the reason if you want to become an affiliate marketing expert, or if you want to grow in affiliate marketing, if you want to make good amount of money, then you should have a micro niche. Right, so in affiliate marketing I select only digital products. Okay, so I focus only on digital products, not on physical products. Right, so it will be very easy for me to target. It will be very easy for me to generate good amount of sales. So why? Because I'm targeting only a particular products only digital products I'm targeting. In that way you should also select something as per your interest. So those who have attended day 1 and day 2, they will understand how to select what is the areas of interest, everything. So next. So today let's get clarity on micro niche with this formula. What the formula? XYZ formula. Okay, so if you are having as I told you, make a note. Okay, make a note, XYZ formula. So what is XYZ? What X is nothing but what is it that you help people with. Okay, what you're helping people with, what is your business is about. I help people to make money online. Okay, I am helping the people who are looking for make money online. Are you helping the people with career growth? Are you helping the people with business growth? Are you helping the people with lifestyles? Are you helping the people with relationship? Are you helping people with health and wellness? Helping means what? You are promoting a product or a service related to these fields. Okay, I promote the products related to make money online niche. If someone is looking to make money online, I promote online courses which help them to start online earning. So my products are digital products. My niche is micro niche is make money online. Okay, and I promote digital products, matlab online courses which is related to make money online niche to my target audience. So on what niche you are going to help, on what area you are going to help: health and wellness, relationship, lifestyle, business growth, career growth, make money. You have to decide. If you are into digital marketing field, if you want to make money online, or if you want to help others to make money online, then you can select make money online. Okay, so if you are having good skills in business growth, if you can design strategies so that businesses can grow, then you can choose your niche as a business growth. Okay, so what is your X is nothing but what is it that you help people with. Okay, what problem you are going to solve, that is your X. Okay, X is what you are helping people with. What is Y is how do you help them, how do you help them. You now your X is make money online. Okay, so the people who are looking for make money online, you are going to help, that is your X. And how you will help them, how you will help. If suppose Garima is looking to make money online, okay, Garima is your customer, then how you will help Garima? If I am in your place, then I will tell her, I will provide a solution that, see Garima, this is the skill, this is an affiliate marketing skill, okay, where you can learn how to do online marketing, how to generate leads, how to generate sales. So learn this course, improve the skill, implement and earn. Okay, so by sitting at home, if you learn this, you can generate income. So I will provide her this solution. Okay, means I am providing the solution in the form of online course, in the form of my training program, my online training course. So how do you want to help them? So how you will help? You have to select some product as per your niche. Okay, so if you also want to do affiliate marketing, if you also want to do digital product affiliate marketing, so you have to select the product as per your audience. What is Z? Z is what section of people do you help? Do you want to help housewives who want to make money online, or do you want to help college students who are looking for extra pocket money? Do you want to help working professions who are looking for side hustle, part-time income? Their salary is not sufficient. Okay, so are you willing to help them? So whom you want to help them? Okay, so XYZ, is it clear? X is nothing but what you are helping people with, what service you are going to give. Y is nothing but whom you are, how do you help? Okay, by your training program, or by your products, or by your service, how you are going to help them. Z is nothing but what section of people do you help. I will give you some examples so that you get more clarity. Micro niche statement. Okay, so now practically we are going to derive our micro niche statement. Okay, so how to derive? I help Z with X through Y. Okay, this is our statement. I help Z with X through Y. So see, this is the example. Jessica will help the people on business growth. Okay, her X is business growth. Okay, so she helped with a service of designing. Okay, she designed for the people, okay, so that people can grow their business. To whom she help? She help only entrepreneurs, not everyone. She don't do designings for everyone. She only target entrepreneurs, and she design content, she design pictures for them. Okay, so that they can increase their business growth. Mindfulness classes for politicians. So he is providing, okay, the example Pawan Kumar. Okay, Pawan Kumar is providing mindfulness classes. So what is his X? It is health. So how he is going to provide? By using meditation. Okay, by using meditation, how they can increase their mindfulness classes, मतलब how they can have the study, how they can have their focus. Okay, how to increase their focus, they can he will be teaching using meditation. To whom he is targeting? He is not targeting everyone, he is targeting only politicians. So his X is health, Y is meditation, and Z is politician. So here Rohit, okay, let's take an example of Rohit. So Rohit is into health and wellness niche. Okay, so he is providing fitness training. Okay, he is providing service of fitness trainings. And to whom he is providing? He is not providing fitness training to everyone, he is providing fitness training to the women who have recently given birth. Okay, so that she can become fit again, she can become healthy. So he is only targeting, what is his Z? Women who recently gave birth. So hope you guys understood. So here you can see here X is what you are helping people with, what problem you are solving. Okay, and Y is how do you help them, and Z is to whom you will help. Right, so hope you got clarity on business equation. If yes, mention in the chat box. Yes ma'am, clear. Okay, fast guys. Is clear. Type C. Okay, yes, good. Okay, Shravani, okay, Nivi, okay, Nilofer. Okay, yes. So now you are going to write your business equation in the paper. See guys, those who are submitting the task in the group, they will only get the bonuses from my end, that is worth of 2000 rupees. Okay, so if you want that bonuses for free, and then you have to submit the task. Okay, after as soon immediately after the class. Okay, so why after the class? Let's do right now. Okay, chalo. So write the business equation. How to write the business equation? I help Z with X through Y. I help Z with X through Y. So what is X? You all understood what is X, Y, Z. So this is the statement, structure of statement. So everyone write on the paper, take the picture, post it in the group. Okay, I will be giving you 2 minutes of time. Okay, so let's start guys. Let's see who will be sharing the picture first. If any doubt, you can ask me.
I didn't understand.
Okay, don't waste the time.
I didn't understand.
Okay, who is this?
Rohit.
Rohit. What you did not understood? See, X is nothing but now you don't. Okay. Understood? Okay, start writing. Okay, Rohit, do you know what is affiliate marketing? What we do?
Hello.
Affiliate marketing. Rohit, are you there?
Hello.
Am I audible?
No, ma'am, you are not audible.
Am I not audible to everyone?
You're audible for me, ma'am.
Yes, audible, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
If you don't mind, can I explain?
Yeah.
Is X is basically we are the helping the people the segment of like by money making, by business focusing, by online, and Y is the how do we help them like a particular product. You can say that as Z is the section of the just like electronic product either on hosiery and fashions like this. I think I am unclear.
Yes, Girija. Thank you. Rohit, Okay, did you understand, or shall I explain again? Okay, I think there is a network issue. He left. I think he will join again. So, others, did you understand? If yes, do the task. Post it in the group.
Actually, I have a doubt, ma'am. Actually, I have a doubt here.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
I'm choosing Izzat as a student, ma'am. So, what section students are? So, Izzat as a student, and I'm choosing access to make money. So, in sentence, I am framing like I help students to make money through. Actually, I didn't get what is a why here, ma'am.
How do you
So,
help
why
them?
is how do you help? So, how do you
Them,
help them?
huh.
Like,
So
in
if you are promoting online courses, suppose think, okay, how you want to you know how to make money online using affiliate marketing, okay. So you are promoting an online course, okay, with which they can learn affiliate marketing and they can make money online by using that skill, okay. So you can mention here, I help students, okay, with make money online through online digital courses, okay, or
Exactly.
through
Right, ma'am.
affiliate marketing course,
Exactly.
through affiliate marketing course, okay. So whatever the why is, that is your okay. So what to say, I help people to, okay, I help housewives with make money online, okay. So whatever you are trying to promote, okay, business is nothing but now here you are promoting a product or a service, right? So your why is, maybe did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
I help students to make money online through online course. It means now here you are promoting online course.
Even we
To
can
help
say
people
like
to make
this.
money online.
We can say like this. I help the business people. I help business people with the money making through electronic product.
Yeah, if you are selling electronic product, then
Yeah.
you can do, yeah, you can tell that.
Yes.
So did anyone submit the task in the group? Guys, I did not. Shravan, good. Yeah, Pawan Kumar has submitted. Shravani submitted. Yeah, Nivi share here. Girija share in the group. Fast, guys. Okay. Fast, fast. We have lot more to discuss. Are you guys doing?
Ma'am, actually, I have posted in this chat box. Should I post it in our group also, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to post in the group.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have WhatsApp in this mobile. So after this class
Ah,
gets over, I
yeah.
want to change to next phone and then I want to do it, ma'am.
Okay. No problem there. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's move on.
Even I have also shared my views in the chat box.
Okay. See why I'm telling to share in the group, because others should know that what they are missing. Okay. If they don't attend the class, okay, what they are going to miss, they have
You are just
to
talking about the
understand.
group
They
in
have to
WhatsApp.
realize. That there is yes. WhatsApp group only I'm talking about.
But I
We
think I am not in added in
have
your
a group,
WhatsApp
right?
group.
Even I'm also not
No,
it
SSM
added in
Academy
the
or
group, ma'am.
DM course.
I'm in a DM course,
Okay,
ma'am.
you are not in. Yeah, DM course only I'm talking about, not into my group.
Yeah, okay.
I'm talking about DM course or SSM Academy group. If you are any of this group, you can share there. Okay. So after the session, you can do that. Okay. No worries.
Yeah, sure, I will do that.
Yeah. Okay. So now you have got clarity on business equation, right? So what is your business equation? Now you got clarity that what you are going to promote, to whom you are going to promote, and how you are going to promote, right? Affiliate marketing is nothing but promoting the product and generating sales. So you have to know that what you are going to promote, to whom you are promoting, and how you are promoting, right? So yes. So here, see, lot of people I can see in the group, in DM group only. Okay, there are like more than 150 people, right? There are more than 150 people, but only few people are here, only 10 people are here. Why? Because they don't want to do efforts, they don't want to learn. See guys, if you want to earn, definitely you have to learn the skill.
Even they don't
Okay.
want to we take the any action.
Yes. So without learning, without taking action, you can't get success, right? So I want you guys to repeat this. I can't be cheap to my path of my greatness. I can't be cheap on my path of greatness. Repeat this. I
I
can't
can't
be
be
cheap
cheap
on my
on
path.
the path of greatness.
I
Yes, if you want to choose a
on
path
my
of
path of my greatness.
good, everyone guys. Yes. See, if you want to choose a great path, if you want to get a great results, then you can't behave like a cheap thing, like, okay, I don't want to invest in learning, I can't invest time, I can't invest money. Okay, I want everything for free, then only I will learn, then only I will implement, then only I will start. So don't be with this type of mentality. Okay, always be ready to invest on yourself, invest on your growing your skills, right? Then only you can reach your goal, right? So I can't be cheap on my path of my greatness. You should always remember this. Nothing will be nothing you will get for free, guys. Okay, so if you want to learn next level of affiliate marketing, then definitely you have to invest amount, you have to learn, you have to implement, you have to earn. Okay, then only earning possible. It's not like simply by learning a few things you will start your earning. No, you should have a complete process. You should know the complete process. You should have a mentor who can handhold you in your initial stage. Okay, then only you can learn the things, you can do practically, and you can reach the target. So always remember this. If you want a pro level training, if you want to earn pro earnings, then definitely you have to invest in your learning, your time, your energy, your money, and you have to implement the things, as we discussed it in the earlier. Without implementation, the knowledge is waste, right? So you should be clear with you should have this mindset, then only you will be successful in online business. So now we have understood our business equation, right? Now we are now we are going to discuss our customer avatar. Who is our customer avatar exactly? See, not everyone is our customer avatar. If you are into a make money online niche, then don't feel that everyone wants to make money online, who don't want to earn money. So everyone are my customer. Don't think in that way. When I started my affiliate marketing journey, then I used to feel that, hey, everyone want to make money online, right? So everyone is my target audience, so I can target everyone, I can sell my products to everyone, so I get a good number of sales, I get good amount of money. I used to think in this way. But my mentor taught me that everyone is not your customer. See, everyone want to make money online, but they don't believe on businesses. Some people have only job mindset, they only look for job, they don't believe in business. Okay, some people believe in business, but they don't believe on online business. They don't understand digital, what is digital era, what is the future scope of digital marketing or affiliate marketing. They just feel that business means traditional business, that's it. Online business will be scam, it will be not successful, it required lot of technology. So a lot of people have lot of perceptions, right? So not everyone is your customer. So who is your actual customer? You have to understand to target them, right? So how to understand? I'm a beginner level, I did not start my journey, I did not interact with anyone. So how can I understand who is my customer avatar? Just a simple thing, guys. Your customer is the person who is just like you, who thinks like you, okay, whose mindset is like you, whose age is near to you. Okay, it may be like approximately, see, my customers, my target audience age will be 18 years to 35, not beyond that. Okay, very rarely I get a customer beyond 35 plus. Okay, mostly I get a my target audience age is 20 to 35. 18 means the people the students, okay, college students who are interested to make money online, or who want to learn some advanced skills so that they have a good future. Okay, so such type of business mindset people, students, these students are my target audience. So very rarely I get students, okay, I get customers from students, but my target audience age is 20 to 35. So ma'am, you are working in this field, you have generated revenue, okay, so you know your target audience. But how to know my target audience? Just analyze that, to whom, see, to whom my product is going to give solution. Business is nothing but, always remember, it's about providing a solution. What is a business? Business is nothing but providing a solution. So whatever the product you are choosing, if you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, then you have to understand that this product, what solution this product is providing. If you are promoting an online course, okay, suppose think you are promoting my affiliate marketing course, okay, you are working with me as an affiliate marketer, okay, and starting a low ticket affiliate marketing program, and you are promoting my affiliate marketing course. Okay, so what solution this affiliate marketing course is going to provide? This course is going to teach people a skill. Okay, if they learn the skill, they can make money online. It may be college student, it may be a housewife, it may be a working profession, whoever they may be. Okay, they have to, if they have that learning mindset, then they can learn the skill, and they can implement, and they can earn money by my proven strategies. Okay, so in that way, if you are promoting any physical product or any product, okay, any product, you have to think that whom this product is providing a solution. Okay, so if you are promoting a beauty product, okay, so tan removing product, so to which category of people will be worried for tan? Okay, they want that protection. Young people, right? Young people who are like youth, they will be worried about their skins. Okay, 35 above age people will be not worried mostly about their skin, but the people who are young, okay, the people who are bachelors, okay, they will be worried about their skill, they will take a good care of their skin. So they are your target audience. In the same way, you have to understand who is your target audience. Okay, you have to know each and everything about your target audience, their age, their interest, okay, on what social media they are available. My target audience are available on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Okay, so very I don't work on Twitter. Okay, So these 4 platforms I target. In the same way, whatever products you are promoting, you have to understand where your target audience are available, what is their age, what job they do. If you are promoting a product of 1 lakh rupees, okay, and if you target a person who is having Mr. Pinterest, Snapchat, yes. So if you are promoting a product of 1 lakh rupees, okay, and you are targeting a audience, the person who is earning 10,000, 15,000 per month, will he able to buy your 1 lakh rupees product? Let me know in the chat box.
No, ma'am.
No, right?
I guess.
Never ever. Even if we want to buy also, he can't buy. Why? Because he can't afford that. In the same way, you have to understand what is his income status also. Okay, when I promote my online course, my digital market affiliate marketing online course, when I contact with students, I definitely ask them, see, this is an like an online business, okay, so first you have to learn the skill. To learn, you have to invest, okay, without invest you can't start. So are you, as a student, can you invest? Yes, first you have to qualify the audience, okay, whatever the audience you are talking, you have to qualify them. Okay, what is qualify? By using one formula. What is that? MAN. M is money. Can they spend money to a product? Okay, can they afford that? Second is authority. Okay, they will ask everything about your business, okay, and they say that, okay, I have to ask my husband, I have to ask my parents. Okay, here they are not having that authority to decide. If see, if any business opportunity comes to me, definitely I take decision on my own. I don't depend on anyone. Okay, why? Because I have that authority to take decision on regarding my career. But if you talk with us college students, definitely they have to take permission with their parents. Okay, or if they are housewives who want to start the income, they didn't even start the income but they want to start the income, then definitely they have to take permission. They can't afford from their earnings, they don't have earnings, right? So definitely they have to talk to their husbands, take permission. If he says, then only they can. So you have to qualify them with authority also. And next is need. How much he want that? Okay, some people come to me and say that, ma'am, definitely I want to make money online, okay, whatever it takes, I'm ready to give. Okay, but I have to, yeah, man formula. Make a note, man formula. Okay, man formula. So money, authority, need. In the same way, you have to qualify your customers. Okay, so everyone is not your customer. So I am now, decide one product that you want to promote. Okay, now you have in the business equation, we have understood that what solution you want to provide, to whom you are provide, to whom you want to provide, and how you want to provide, right? You got a clarity. Now select one product. It may be online course, it may be softwares. If you are like video, if you want to do video marketing, if you are video marketing expert, so if you want to promote video making courses or video making software, what product you want to promote? Okay, so choose any one product. I am not telling that only you have to promote, but for now, okay, choose one product. It may be physical, it may be digital, but I prefer you guys to go with digital. If you want to earn good amount of money, choose digital product. Okay, you don't need of any website, nothing is needed. Only by using social media, I will teach you how to generate sales. Okay, so choose one digital
Ma'am,
product.
can you tell? Ma'am, can you tell what is digital product?
What
Ma'am, can I audible?
ebooks which is available digitally.
Ma'am, now?
Pawan Kumar, yes, you are audible. Am I
Ma'am,
audible
what
to
is
you?
digital? Ma'am, what is digital product?
Digital product is nothing but which available in digital format. It is online courses, ebooks, PDF files, softwares, online tools, mobile applications. All these are available digitally, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. So all these things you can promote and you can generate income. Okay. So, right, everyone, did you choose your digital products? Now you are going to identify your customer avatar. Who is your customer? The customer is your customer is with your mindset. Okay. So just analyze it. Okay, just analyze it and make a note what his age will be. Just analyze it. What will be his age? If you are looking for make money online niche, if you are providing a course of make money online, okay, so which category people are ready to learn? Are the students, are they 20 to 25 or 30? Before marriage, they will be taking that trainings, or 30, 35. Just think and write. Who can be your target audience? What can be their customer avatar? See practically how to collect the data, how to know, how to track and measure. Everything I will be teaching, okay, in my course, right? You will be not just analyzing, you will be having the facts and figures. Okay, but now here I just want you to analyze and write. Age, what will be their occupation, on what social media they will be, what type of mobile they will be using. Not here, I want you to write on paper. Not here in the chat box. I want you guys to write on paper. Keep a heading of customer avatar. Okay, write their age, write their what will be their annual income. Okay, what can be their education, what will be his marital status, age, occupation, marital status, education, income, and social media. This is enough. Okay, this is enough. And who are their role models? Which people they follow? See, I follow Gary V, Dan Lok. Okay, for sales I follow Dan Lok. For regarding business things I follow Gary V. In the same way, which influencer they follow?
Like I follow the entrepreneurs and franchisee consultants.
So what type of people your target audience will follow? You have to write. If you're not able to analyze any of the part, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. In the beginner level, but you can analyze their age, their income, their marital status, right, and their education. These 4 things you can analyze. Everybody done? In
Yes,
my
ma'am.
affiliate marketing training program, I will be teaching you practically how you can collect the data, how you can how you can analyze the customer avatar. Okay, practically you will be having we will be doing that. But here now
Done, ma'am, done.
done. Okay, so now here just we are analyzing. Okay, to give you some clarity, I'm trying that. Okay, I want you guys to think and get some clarity by doing practically. So now business equation. Recently one person, I stay in Hyderabad, okay. So one of my nearer company, okay, it is a small business, okay, he's a small business owner. So he contacted me and says that, hey Shahrin, I want to grow my business, okay. I want to go to digital platform, I want to grow my business, I'm trying it, I am working on multiple social media platforms, okay, but I'm not getting good result, okay, I'm not getting good clients, okay, I'm not getting good projects. So what to do, I'm trying everything, he's saying that I'm trying everything, but I'm not getting result, how to do? Okay, then I asked him, what is your business equation? Then he said, what is business equation? Okay, so see, people don't, if they are into the digital platform, they see some videos on YouTube and they do practically that things, and they feel that I'm not getting result. See guys, pro level content, I'm saying you again and again and again, if you want to get results, okay, basic things you can learn from free content, but if you want a result, then basic content won't work. You have to know the exact strategies what the successful people are using, okay. How the process is, what the process they follow, what are the activities they do on social media, okay, everything you have to understand, what type of things they do for lead generation, personal branding, sales closing, everything, right? So if you don't have that level of knowledge, then you won't get results. With basic knowledge, by just seeing few videos on YouTube, free content, you can't get results, right? So I told him, if you are not aware of business equation, if you are not aware that how many leads you have to get to generate this much income, how many sales you have to get to generate this much income, how many people you have to contact, okay, to get, if you want 10 clients, how many to how many clients you have to talk, that ratio you should have. You should keep that target for 1 month, you have to work on it, then you will get the result. Okay, if you don't have the analyzation, or if you don't have the clarity that how much work you have to put, how much result you have to get, then you are not going to get results. Then he said that, okay, please help me in getting the business equation, I want to get that figure, okay, I want to know that figure, so that I and my team can work, so that I can guide my team, okay. So in the form of next slide, so this is the thing I have explained him, okay, I have explained in our consultation call. So if you want to earn monthly of 10 lakh rupees, okay, suppose think, if you want to earn, so let us take, okay, monthly target, this is, okay, this is monthly target. So his monthly target was 10 lakh rupees, okay. So what is the charge of his product? His product charges 50,000, okay, single product charges 50,000. So to achieve target monthly revenue, you have to sell 20 products, right? If he want to reach 10 lakh rupees, he have to sell 20 products. Of 50,000. So it was 10%. So his conversion ratio was 10%. So as per that percentage, how many leads he has to get? He has to get 200 leads.
Madam,
Matlab, he
it's
has to
not a
contact
10 lakh rupees.
200 clients.
Madam, it's not a 10 lakh, it's a 1 crore.
Sorry?
It is that monthly target is 1 crore revenue on the screen.
Okay. Acha, okay. So whatever it may be. So suppose think we are starting with low ticket. Okay. So we don't want to talk with the high. Okay. Let's do practical here. Let's start with low ticket. Practically, which is suitable for us. Every month, music markets, you are starting affiliate marketing journey. So what is your target? 30,000, 50,000. What is your monthly target? give one number here. So what
50,000,
will be
ma'am.
the majority? 50,000. Okay. So yeah, 50,000. Okay. So you are assume that you are selling a course of 10,000 rupees. Okay. Now here you are promoting a course, online course. Okay. So one course cost is 10,000 rupees, and you are promoting this course. Okay. So to reach this 50,000, how many courses you have to sell? How many sales you have to do?
5,
Unmute.
ma'am.
Okay. 5 sales. Okay. So now here to generate 5 sales, to generate one sale, you are talking with 10 clients, 10 leads. If you talk with 10 leads, okay, you are generating one sale. Okay, you are talking with 10 leads, you are generating leads organically using social media, you are getting 10 leads. Okay, and you are from 10 leads you are getting one sale. So if you want 5 sales, how many leads you are going to talk? Yeah, I want to answer.
Actually, I didn't get your point, ma'am.
See, your monthly target is 50,000 rupees. Okay, and you are promoting a product which is worth of 10,000 rupees. Okay, so if you want to sell one course, you are talking to 10 leads. Okay, you are talking to 10 customers, then you are able to generate one sale. 1 is to 10. Okay, if you are talking to 10 customers, you are generating one sale. So to generate 5 sales, how many customers you have to talk?
50, ma'am.
50, right? 50.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now,
50, ma'am.
yes. So now here 50 leads you have to generate. Okay, so total in month, what is your target now for one month? If you want to generate 50,000 rupees, what is your target? First, what do you want? You want leads. So how many leads you want? You want 50 leads. Definitely you want 50 leads. If you are not able to generate this many leads, okay, you will be not reaching your target 50,000. Okay, and if your conversion ratio is high, if you are talking to 10 people and if you are able to close 2 to 3 sales, then these figures will change. But here now we are taking an example of, if you are talking to 10 people, you are generating one sale. Okay, so Nivi has contacted 10 people and one sale she has generated. Okay, in the same way, if you want to generate 5 leads, so monthly target, what is your leads target monthly? 50 leads. So you should have this idea, clear idea, that if I want to earn this much amount of money, then I have to contact 50 leads, whatever it may be. I have to get 50 leads. So how to generate that 50 leads using social media, you will be learning in my affiliate marketing training program. It is lead generation concept. Okay, so I will be training you there how to generate leads using organic way. It is not of paid method, it is organic way. Organic is nothing but free. In digital marketing, organic term is nothing but free. So with using your content marketing, attraction marketing, personal branding, video making skills, we can generate leads for our business, for our product, for our services. Okay, so how to generate this 50 leads? You have to concentrate on, first thing is lead generation. Okay, so I have generated 50 leads and my conversion ratio is, by the end of the month I will be able to generate 5 sales. Okay, so if I follow that 1:10 ratio, in the same way, if you are starting a business or if you are doing your affiliate marketing, then you have to know how many sales you have to generate as per your product to reach your target, how many leads you have to know, and how many people you have to known for. See, these three things are known for means what? Daily, I have written here 2000 people. What does it mean? Every day minimum you have to contact with 15 to 20 people. How to contact means it's not like telecalling. Okay, we will call them or we will message them and tell that, hey, I am doing this, I am promoting this, check my profile. No. Okay, this is nothing but targeted audience, reaching to your targeted audience. There is some process, we follow some process how to connect with our target audience. Okay, so we are promoting our profile, we are promoting our social media profile to our target audience. It means you are adding people, you are targeted audience, you are targeting some people, you are adding that people by checking their customer avatar. If they come into your target audience, then you will add to your profile. Okay, if suppose I am doing business using my Facebook. Okay, so what I do, I go to I reach my target audience. There is some process for that. I reach to my target audience and I will see what are their activities, who are them following. In social media we can see, right, what pages they are liking, what are their activities, what are their interests. We can see about their info, right? So by seeing that, I understand, I get some clarity that okay, on what niche they are interested. Okay, if they are into a digital marketing field, then they are my target audience. Why? Because digital marketing people wants to make money online, right? They want to use digital platforms and they want to make money online, so they are my target audience. What I do, I send friend request to them. Okay, so definitely they check my profile, they will do analyze. Okay, if my profile is good, well optimized, then they will contact me for the business. In the same way, if you are, see, let me show you my profile practically. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible, ma'am.
Yeah, so see, this is my profile. Okay, so by seeing here, what they will understand, I am a mission to on a mission to teach people on how to make money online. Means I am going to teach people on how to make money online. So I have mentored 300 plus people. I am a 6-figure earner. Okay, I have made more than 6-figure. I'm a 6-figure earner using affiliate marketing. I'm an entrepreneur, it's my choice. Okay, so I will help people to make money 30 to 50,000 per month. So they get some clarity by seeing my cover photo. So this is nothing but profile optimization. So if they want to start their online earning, they can contact me. Okay, and they will see the content. Okay, what content I'm using. See, I have shared a video regarding video promotions. If you want to make a video for promotional, so what are the tips you have to follow, right? So there are my earnings. Okay, there are my whatever the trainings I have taken, my testimonials regarding my earnings. So from one of my platform, I have earned more than 1 lakh. Okay, with less than 3 months. Okay, so there is a congratulations mail, right? In the same way, if before starting affiliate marketing, okay, before starting affiliate marketing, you will optimize your profile. Your profile is nothing but your shop. Okay, so first you will optimize the profile. We will learn everything regarding profile optimization. Then you will add your target audience to your profile every day. You will add your target audience 15 to 30 target audience to your profile. They check your profile, they understand what service you are providing, and they will contact you as they are your target audience. If they don't contact also, they follow your content, they see what you are doing. Okay, so with this, what happened, your product or your business knowledge is reaching to your target audience. They check few content of yours and they will contact you, and they are your leads. Okay, so those people are your leads. So get known is nothing but you are going to know known to the people of your target audience. So how to know? You have to reach out them. You have to reach out them. So how many people you have to reach every day? That calculation you should have. How many leads you should get? That calculation you should have. And how many sales you have to have? That calculation you should have. That is nothing but your business equation. Okay, so what is my business equation here? First is get known, okay, second is get leads, and third is get sales. Okay, so if I want to reach this target, I should contact 2000 people in a month. Okay, so I will divide 2000 by 30. So daily how many people I have to reach, and how many leads I have to generate in a month? 200 leads. Okay, so 200 by 30. So each day how many leads I have to generate? I will make a note. How many sales I have to generate? 20 sales per month. Okay, so everything I will be having in written format, and I will work. Okay, so if today my target is of generating 5 leads and I have generated only 3 leads, then you have to work more tomorrow and you have to cover this. Okay, you have to cover up this and generate more leads next day. With this, what happen? If you have this track and measure, what happen? You get idea that how much effort you are putting. Okay, at the end of the month you don't feel that I did not earn my targeted amount. Why? Because the figure you have worked is not to that level. Okay, I thought of earning 50,000, but I made 30,000. That's fine. Okay, in the initial stage, that's fine. But you will have a clarity that, okay, I have generated this many leads, so I made this much income. So next month I have to generate more leads, more sales, so that I can reach here. So track and measure is very, very important. Without having tracking and measurement, you cannot grow in business. Okay, blindly doing business will not give successful results. If you want to do a business successfully, then definitely you should have the track and measurement. You should see your improvement each month, each day, each week. Okay, then only you can grow in the business. Okay, so hope you understood what is the business equation. Business equation is nothing but first is get known, how many people you have to connect each day. Next is get leads, how many leads you have to generate as per your product cost, as per your monthly target, and how many sales you have to generate as per your product cost. Okay, so this is nothing but business equation: get known, get leads, get sales. So now hope you have understood, hope you guys got clarity. Okay, why it is important to track and measure. If there is no track and measure, then if we planning for weight loss, what we do, definitely we track and measure, right? After working out, definitely we check each day, each week. If after 1 week if I decreased 1 kg, then what happened? It will help me to work next week with more energy, right? Same energy. In the same way, you should have track and measurement in your business also. Then only we can grow. So hope you guys understood the business equation here. Did you guys get clarity? If yes, let me know in the chat box. So now I am promoting a product of 8,000. Okay, now select a product. Okay, select a product. So now you don't know what product you are going to promote. Okay, now let an example, you take an example that you are promoting business equation. Yeah, you are promoting a product of 1,000 rupees. Okay, 1,000 rupees. So how many people you have to contact? Everyone make a ratio of 1:10. Okay, 1:10. Okay, so make a target, monthly target, your wish. Okay, so if you are promoting any product, okay, some of my team members here working with me, they are promoting digital online courses and they are making money also. So as per your product, as per your target, make a note that what should be your monthly target, how many leads you have to get, how many sales you want to reach that monthly target. Okay, so calculate in that way and let me know your business equations. First is get known, get leads, get sales. Okay, so how many target audience you have to approach, how many leads you will get, and how many sales you will get to reach this monthly target.
Ma'am, what is the monthly target amount, ma'am?
Your wish, how much you want to earn. Okay, my monthly target is 1 lakh rupees with my affiliate marketing. Okay, so you can fix any target as per your requirement. How much you want to earn, that is your monthly target.
Okay, okay.
If you are done, mention in the chat box it's done. If any questions, any queries, you can ask me. No question. Okay. So if it is done, you can mention done. Or you can mention your business equation in the chat also. First write how many people you have to get known. Next leads. Just write number. Okay, 2220. In the same way, write number only. Only write the number. It's enough. Is that done, guys? Done. Shravani said done. Okay. Monthly goal 30,000, product price 8,000. I have to sell 6 to 10 products, get 30 sales, get leads 300, get to known 500. Good, Durga. Come on, guys, fast. Nivi, Kabil, Nilofer. Jolly. Jolly, you sell health products, right? So as per that, you can make the calculation. Pawan Kumar.
Ma'am, I'm put in my our group, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, you can
Yeah, ma'am, I already put in.
put. Okay, good. Okay, guys. So, okay. Get leads, Nilofer, get sales 40, get leads 400, get known 600. Okay, good. Good. So you have to divide the 600 by 30. Okay, daily how many people you have to contact, how many leads you have to get per each day. Okay, and per week how many sales you have to generate. You can calculate in that way and make a daily target that this many people I have to contact. Okay, and this many people, this many leads I have to generate per lead at any cost, and I have to close as per my ratio. Whatever ratio I'm giving, I have to close the sales as per that ratio. Okay, so you should have that analyzation, and you should have that in front of you. Okay, where you write on a paper, daily this many leads, this many sales, weekly this much, this is my target, and work on it. Definitely you will get results and earnings. So okay, so those who have not completed, you can complete and you can submit. Nivi says monthly target 20,000, product price 1,000. Okay, get sales. Nivi, get known. Okay, get known is 400, leads is 200. Okay, correct it. Get known means you have to contact 400 people in a month, and leads you have to get 200 leads, and you have to generate sales 20. Okay, so correct it in your paper. Maybe did you understand difference between known and sales? See, get known means you have to contact 400 people. Okay, not 20 people. I think it may be a typing mistake or that, but you have to contact 400 people, get known 400, get leads 200, and get sales is 20.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So as per that, divide for 1 month, daily how much you have to get leads. Okay, everyone. And see guys, this is not only just for learning. Okay, we are going to start affiliate marketing. Okay, we are going to start, you are going to work with me as an affiliate marketers, and you are going to generate income. Okay, we are going to do practically. That the reason we are spending our time energy here on doing everything right, on knowing this process. So you have to have clear idea, and you have to paste in front of you. Those who are working with me already, my team members, you have to do this. And those who want to start, and those who are going to start with me your affiliate journey, it will be helpful for you once you start. Okay, so yeah, till here any doubts? Till here any single doubt you can ask me, any single doubt? If everything is clear, if you have learned something new, did you guys learn something new? Just type S. if you have learned new things regarding digital affiliate marketing or online business, regarding business equations, customer avatar. Yes. Why tracking and measuring is important. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, guys. So I want to know that I think Kabil, Nivi is already started. Okay. Pawan Kumar also started his affiliate journey. Shravani Reddy is also started. Okay. So Kabil is available. Kabil, can you tell me currently what you are doing right now? Are you a student or working profession? Kabil, are you there? You can unmute and you can talk to me. Student, ma'am. Okay. So currently what you are studying? Are you interested? See, you are you are in the session, okay, completely since more than 1 hour, right? So may I know the reason why you are in this session? Do you want to learn affiliate marketing or you want to start your affiliate marketing journey? What is the reason? Second year computer science engineering. Good. Okay. So where are you from? Which place? Tamil Nadu. Okay, good. So, okay. So you are into this session completely. You have spent like 1.5 hours with us on learning. So may I know the reason why are you in this session? You want to start your affiliate marketing? You want to learn affiliate marketing, or you want to make money online? What is the exact reason? You want to learn digital skill? What is the reason? Are you looking to generate extra source of income using online platform, using social media? Make money online and learn digital skills. Okay, good. Okay. See, Kabil, I'm not sure that you have attended my, I think you did not attend my previous day 1, day 2 sessions, right? Yes or no? If you have attended, then type S. If you have not attended day 1, day 2, then type no. Did you attend? If you have attended, type S, or else no. Okay, you have attended day 1, day 2. Okay, good. Okay, fine. So the people who are here is already working with me. Okay, is already working as an affiliate marketers, and they are making money. Okay, and Nivi also enrolled for my affiliate marketing course. Am I right, Nivi?
Yes, ma'am, I enrolled. Ma'am.
Yeah, as you have enrolled. Yeah, she has enrolled. And if you are also looking to make money online, okay, hope you have learned something new. Let me know about your experience. Okay, did you learn new things in my training session? How did you feel? Did you learn things in the training session, day 1, day 2, day 3? Did you get some clarity? What is affiliate marketing? What is customer avatar? What is niche? What is micro niche? Why you should have a micro niche? Why we should have a business equation? Who is our customer? Hope you have learned something, right? Okay. So see, guys, if in free sessions I am providing this much of value, this much of support, then estimate what type of support I will be giving you in my paid course. Can you do you guys think that this knowledge, whatever I'm sharing here, you will get for free? This much clear explanation, step by step, taking this much time and explaining, will you get for free? Will you get this mentorship? You may get videos on YouTube, but if there is no one to guide you, if you get stuck somewhere, right? There is no if you follow YouTube or something, you get basic knowledge, I agree, but this much of clearly explanation that why business equation is needed, why it is needed, why you should have a track of how get known, get leads, get sales, why it is important, how to calculate that, everything, this much clearly no one will explain for free. Okay, this knowledge is not of free. I have spent lot of money in my learning. Okay, then only I got this knowledge. Okay, but I am training you guys for free in this day 1, day 2, day 3. Why? Because you should understand the potential, okay, of the affiliate marketing or make money online niche. So Kabil, if you want to uh, see the people who are working with me already, I want to share your experiences. Already you are working with me, already you are making money, or you have started your journey, right? So I want you guys to tell what is your experience from day before starting affiliate marketing and after starting affiliate marketing. How, what is your perspective regarding online business? Anything you want to share, you can. So hmm, let's ask Nilofer. Okay, she has recently started affiliate marketing journey, and she's from IT background. Okay, she's not related to marketing or digital marketing. She is from IT background. She has more than 7 to 8 years of experience in IT. Okay, and now she know this what demand of the affiliate marketing and digital marketing. So she want to make some extra source of income, right? So she has started affiliate marketing journey with me, right? So Nilofer, are you available?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So you can share your experience or your journey with me. Are you guys you are learning something new, or how you are growing in affiliate marketing?
Yeah, sure, Shahrin.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. Actually, I started my journey recently with Shahrin. She's one of the good mentor I have met, and moreover, she's always available. That's a good thing. We whenever we need any kind of help, and with a small investment, it's not that much a heavy investment also, which we can do in any business. So this is a good business where we can invest our time, money, and moreover, her mentorship is always free. She's either available on calls or WhatsApp or any kind of things, and she'll provide a simple knowledge also where we are stuck. So it's not a like we will be having a very tough journey to earn money. And I hope like in last 3 days you are seeing how she's explaining the concepts, which is free of cost, because these all things will cost us more than 45,000 whatever training she's giving to us. So I believe like if you start with her, you will also be achiever like me, because in my pipeline with her mentorship, I have not even started sharing my content on medias, but with a small Facebook optimization, Instagram optimization, daily I'll get at least 15 to 30 leads, organic leads only. So that's the potential of her mentorship, and that's the potential of our affiliate marketing, make money online niche. So I agree, like I agree that this is a good opportunity when we want to have a part-time income or full-time income, anything like that. So guys, don't think much. Just we can start with her, whatever mentorship she's providing, which is good for our growth and success. Thank you, Shireen.
Yeah, thank you so much for your valuable words, Nilofer. Yes, guys. So why I told my teammates to tell, why? Because you will understand. Okay, why? Because they are already working with me. Okay, they are in journey with me. So if you want to start your journey, then definitely you can. Okay, so how much will you be thinking? Okay, what will be the charge? I am going to train you for 50 days. 50 days daily I will be training you. So what will be the charge of my course? let's ask with Kabil only. Okay, so what are you expecting? What should be the cost? Okay, you have seen the level of training, the level of knowledge I am providing. Okay, so 50 days I am going to train. If you are providing a 50 days training, how much charge will you charge, Kabil? I'm asking you. Okay, if you are launching a course, okay, if you are launching a course or a training program, you are training students for 50 days, okay, consistently, and you are giving them assignments, you are checking their assignments, you are making them to work practically on social media, everything from Facebook optimization, lead generation, sales closing, content writing, attraction marketing, everything you are going to train them. Okay, so what charge will you charge for 50 days? Everyone who are here, let me know in the chat box. If you are training a student, okay, regarding affiliate marketing for 50 days with your complete mentorship, guidance with assignments, what charge you are going to keep for your course? Fast, guys, fast. It's up to you. See, I'm giving you the ownership. Okay, so you can whatever you want to charge, you can mention here. $20,000, okay. 50,000, Durga, okay. Yes, they are charging 50, 60,000 also they are charging for the digital marketing. What about others? See, I'm giving you the ownership, okay. So if you are becoming owners for free, then why you should not, right? $2,000, okay. 20,000, sorry, 20,000, 50,000. Okay, guys. So yeah, I don't want to waste more time, right? So hope the session was useful. So today is the last day of our 3-day free masterclass regarding affiliate marketing. Okay, so already you guys are working with me, you are in my team, right? So I will be in touch with you. And Nivi, I am going to once I create a group for SSM Academy students, okay, for affiliate marketing, I will be adding you in that. But whenever you will be you will be allowed for all my trainings as you enrolled the course. Okay, you will be allowed in the training programs. Okay, so I will be sharing you the link and details personally. Once I get a good amount of enrollments, then I will create a group and I will add you in that. Okay, so no need to worry. And rest all other peoples are already in my group. Okay, so hope you have learned something, right? So let's end the session here. Okay, let's end the session here. If you have any queries regarding that, this session or day 1, day 2 also, you can ask me. Okay,
Ma'am,
huh.
can I know when the class will get started, ma'am?
Class mostly you will be starting from May 15th. Okay, from May 15th it will be starting, but in between I will be taking trainings in the same way. Okay,
Can I know the timing also? It will be like a recording session or like
recorded session. So you will get a mail. Okay, daily one mail you will get with one video. Okay, and one topic. So 50 days training program it will be. So daily you can see that video and you can do the assignments. Okay, and I will be available for 50 days completely. So whenever you see the video, you can ping me if you have any doubts. I will be clearing that, and in between I will be taking what Q&A sessions also. Okay, live sessions I will be taking in the same way, so that we can discuss every week. One session I will be taking on Q&A. Okay, so that we can discuss lively in the same way. One-to-one interaction we can have. And my motive is not just to train you guys. I want you guys to get results. Okay, and I will make sure that you guys will get results for sure. Okay, so results will give you more motivation, right? Then definitely I will be focusing on results also. Okay, not only learning Nivi, you will start earning also. Okay, by using our SSM
Okay,
affiliate
okay.
program. Okay, by using our SSM affiliate program, you will be starting your earning also. So no need to worry. From May 15th, I am planning to start. Okay, so that we have a good team to start, right? So that so okay, guys. Rest. I think everything is clear, right? So let's end the session here. Okay, so just unmute and tell we can, if we can end the session, so that
Yeah,
we can
ma'am.
end. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, so whatever the task you have given, I have given to you, you have to post in the group Nivi. Okay, the rest all
Yeah,
people are
sure, ma'am.
rest all people are not available in SSM group, but you are available, so post your task there. Okay. Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo.